Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best pan for cooking rice in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Logi C4D33 Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. The company is based in America and is #1 seller of Dutch ovens. This Dutch oven is one of the more versatile pans for cooking rice. It is made up of cast iron that features porcelain enamel. The functionality and looks compel you to use the pot from the stove to the dining table. Porcelain enamel looks like a smooth glass surface and doesn't react with ingredients. It's a non-toxic pan with a food-grade material and behaves like a nice seasoning and good non-stick. Therefore, you can perform a wide variety of tasks in it. You can marinate boneless chicken cubes for pasta or steaks in it. Refrigerate and cook them in the same pot. Lastly, its vibrant looks won't let you change the pot for serving. Number 2. Our second best pick is Tefal 3-quart handy pot with glass lid for cooking rice. This is another best pan for cooking rice, which is a budget-friendly pot by Tefal. But the size of this pan is a 3QT pan which is made up of aluminum. The aluminum allows the pan to heat quickly and evenly. The interior of the pan features a food-grade non-stick coating. It is free of lead, cadmium, and PFOA and offers an effortless rice release. So, the construction meets all the requirements of a truly useful pan. The handle and the glass lid of the pan are also very nice features. The tightly fitted lid will allow steaming rice perfectly. Number 3. Our third best pick is Homechef nickel-free stainless steel rice cooking pot. If all of the above described rice cookers are not ideal for your family size, then we have some perfect solutions for you because this best pan offers 12 QT cooking rice capacity. It is made up of nickel-free stainless steel. The base is 3-ply aluminum between 2 layers of stainless steel and thick. That's why the pan is best at conducting heat and thermal absorption. Due to this quality, we can claim the pan as influential for saving energy. It is a durable cookware and is not prone to warping or deforming. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Dezen Electric Hot Pot Upgraded. Now we are going to describe an entire piece of cookware that doesn't require a stove to work but an electrical source. This Dezen Electric Hot Pot is not a replacement bowl for any sort of rice cooker. Instead, it is an awesome utility itself that serves you with an amazing sautéing experience. Hence helps you to sauté fried rice awesomely. Apart from dealing with rice, the cookware offers versatility while allowing you to cook oatmeal, boil noodles, eggs, and prepare steaks. Most importantly, this best multi-purpose pan features a non-stick interior that again makes it an extremely urgent purchase. Non-stick attracts fitness freaks because the coating requires a minimum of 0 oil. Moreover, being a non-stick hot pot, it earnestly appeals to the working moms due to its convenient cleanup. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Staub Cast Iron Round Cocotte for cooking rice. Here is again a cast iron pan with an enamel finish. Being a cast iron pot, it's obvious that you are going to enjoy the quick and even heat up. Besides, the pan is superb at retaining heat, so it proves a perfect piece to perform slow cooking. So cooking rice to perfection is very easy in this beautiful pan. The interior of this best pan features special matte black enamel. It plays an important role in the thorough browning of food. Moreover, the lid of the pan is matchless. It is heavyweight and features tiny spikes on the inner side. They release condensed liquid into the food. As a result, any cooked food, especially rice, turns out extremely juicy and delicious. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.